We're going to give you a shot of this, Cysts 1. And you've never had this before, but we've done some cortisone shots for you before, right?
No, y'all haven't done it for me.
Somebody else has?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Okay, and the problem with it is you've got a bad knee, you know you need a knee replacement, but you're not old enough yet, right?
Right.
They're telling you that you need to get older, because you don't want to outlive a knee replacement if you can possibly, avoid that, right? All right, Miss Colgate. Sensodyne. The one thing about that people tell me when the first time they get the Cysts 1, it's a lot of medicine, okay? It doesn't hurt any more to get this shot than it does to get just a regular cortisone shot. The problem is it takes longer to get the medicine into the knee joint, right? That's number one. So you end up sitting here longer as I'm squeezing that medicine through a small needle. It's cold, so your knee's actually gonna start feeling cold, and you're gonna feel a lot of pressure. Okay. So it's not like you're gonna feel pain from the shot, but you are gonna feel like pressure from the inside of the knee. And when you first stand up, it's gonna really feel weird.
Right.
Okay. All right.
It's jelly-like, right?
It's like jelly. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever gotten a 1 shot, because back when I was getting them, they were 3 shots.
It's chicken jelly.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Seriously?
Yeah, it's chicken jelly.
Chicken jelly?
You never had chicken jelly before?
No.
Well, you've had raspberry jelly, right? You had strawberry jelly?
Probably, yeah, definitely.
But you never had any chicken jelly?
What is chicken jelly?
Nothing, I just made it up. There's no such thing as chicken
I'm just
jelly.
sitting here thinking about the fat that kind of congeals after you
That's
That's what we're putting in.
Oh, okay.
That's chicken fat.
Okay.
It's made from like synthesized rooster comb.
Oh,
that's right. I read about that.
Right, yeah. So that's why we call it chicken jelly.
Oh, okay.
All right. So this is
pretty
the
big
shot. It's a lot of medicine, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I should get on this side.
You want to get on the other side? Go ahead. Climb over. All right. And look through that camera and make sure you can see.
Yes.
Now your knee, we're going to put you just exactly the best place. There we go. I'm going with Colgate. Now Gummy Jean's going to spray some cold spray right on that spot, and we're going to give you an injection.
How she does that from a distance.
She's awesome. Little poke. And this is where it looks like I have like even a worse shake than I really have, because I have to put a lot of pressure behind this. Now, you should be feeling cold, but you shouldn't be feeling any sharp pain.
Just dull.
Get in there, medicine. Hey, I'm not that shaky today. Get in there. Woo. Almost.
Is it super cold?
It's not as cold as. Oh, he's done. That was great.
Like that didn't hurt that bad at all.
Good for you.
Okay. So you still will want to ice your knee tonight for about 20 minutes. Do about an hour before you go to bed, okay?
Okay.
And just take it easy for a couple of days. It is going to feel a little different, all right? Because you, again, will have space between the bones. Right now, you're pretty much bone on bone, right? So you'll have space between the bones again, so you'll have to adjust a little bit. So be careful that you don't fall.
Okay, well, I can promise I don't like to fall, but they used to tell me when I get it is to kind of like move it around maybe some, let it get in there. Is that still true?
You still want to wiggle it around a little bit there. Yeah. You should already be able to tell a big difference.
I can.
It's like getting a quart of WD-40 kind of squirted in there.
How does it open the space?
Well, there's so much fluid, basically it just pushes open the synovial space, the synovial lining in the knee. It just opens the knee space up. And over a long period of time, usually about 6 months, your body will absorb it and it'll stop working. Hopefully some people get as long as a year out of it.
I have gotten a year out of them before when I got 3 series.
Well, Colgate, thank you for sharing your Cysts 1 injection.
Yeah, thank you for doing it.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go, go, go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.